Morning. This is the introductory lecture to your course Composition 1 ADEL 203, and this is your teacher Mohamed Werdien. At the beginning, I would like to welcome all my students to this course and hope you all the best. I wish that you benefit from this course, and I wish that everyone improves his level in writing. We'll start with the introduction. In the introduction, I will speak about the course rationale, the course objectives, and I will introduce you the book and some chapters that we are going to see in this course. Okay. I will also speak about some references and websites that may help you when you study this course or when you make your revision. Our first point is the course rationale. This course has been suggested because students need to practice writing compositions of a moderate length. So here you are required to write compositions of a moderate length. We mean from 2 to 4 paragraphs. It gives students a chance to practice the techniques, writing mechanics, and methods of composition writing. So this course will give you the opportunity to practice all the techniques and the writing mechanics and methods of composition writing. We mention from the techniques writing the topic sentence and writing the thesis statement, for example. And from the writing mechanics, we can speak about capitalization and punctuation, and the methods, for example, outlining before writing your composition. The third point, it is needed to develop the skills of writing and using your sources for making outlines and summaries. So this course will be useful to you as it develops your skills of writing and using the resources such as text or information or articles to make an outline and a summary. We move to the next slide, which is course objectives. Now I will tell you what is the aim of this course. By the end of this course, students should be able to, number 1, write descriptive compositions of a moderate length, 2 to 4 paragraphs. So by the end of this course, you are going to find yourself able to write compositions of a moderate length from 2 paragraphs to 4. Point number 2, correctly apply the techniques of topic sentence writing and controlling ideas. Here we are going to speak about writing the topic sentence. As you know, the topic sentence is one of the most important parts of the paragraph, as it gives you the main idea of the paragraph. And in the topic sentence itself, we will find controlling ideas which will help you write about the things that you are asked to write about in your topic sentence. Point number 3, use writing mechanics and conventions. Point number 4, by the end of this course, students should be able to write a well-structured outline. Also, you will be able to write an outline. You know the importance of the outline for an essay or a composition. The outline helps students write a well-structured composition, and it helps them know what are the points they are going to write about. Point number 5, by the end of this course, students should be able to write a summary of an unseen text. So here, writing a summary is also an important part in composition. You will be asked to write a summary to a text by the middle of this course. Okay. Now I will introduce the book to you and some references and websites. So the main textbook for you is Introduction to Writing, Paragraph Development and Introduction to the Essay. The author is Cheryl Pavlik and Margaret Kinnan-Segal. The edition is the Middle East Gold Edition. The publisher is McGraw-Hill. The ISBN 13-978-007-7711-6606. ISBN 10-007-711-6607. I will show you the cover of the book. Now this is your book. It's Introduction to Development, Paragraph Development and Introduction to the Essay. It's writing. It is written in here. It's writing. Here. This is your book. And then you have here the publisher, McGraw-Hill, the publisher. And you have on the top, on your right, Middle East Gold Edition. Middle East Gold Edition. So this is the book that we are going to use in this subject or in this course. In the next slide, I will speak about the references and the websites. We start with the references. You can use or you can find as a help those two books. Connors, Robert J. 1997, Composition Rhetoric, Background Theory and Pedagogy, Chicago University Press. The second book is Richards, Jack C. 2005, Interchange 3, Cambridge University Press. So these are two books that may be helpful to you in your revision or when you prepare for this course. We move now to the websites. Also, the internet may be helpful to the students in their revision and in their studies. The first website is www.barnesandnoble.com, and the second one is www.infoplease.com, homework HW essays. So those two websites may help you in your revision or in your studies. The internet resources also including in Faisal University and Saudi University's online resources. So here it will be helpful for you to use the internet resources including in Faisal University and Saudi University's online resources. Now I will speak about the content of the book. We will see different chapters that you will find in this book. The book consists of 10 chapters. 10 chapters. Chapter 1 is Education and Student Life. Chapter 2 is City Life. Chapter 3 is Business and Money. Chapter 4, Jobs and Professions. Chapter 5, Lifestyles Around the World. Chapter 6, Global Connections. Chapter 7, Language and Communication. Chapter 8, Tastes and Preferences. Chapter 9, New Frontiers. And the last chapter, Chapter 10, Ceremonies. Those are the 10 chapters that you will find or that you will study in this book. Now I will speak about student evaluation. Student evaluation. In fact, to evaluate students, we need 3 marks in the during the course. The first one is out of 10. It's your participation on the blackboard. The second one is out of 10, which also is your attendance and seeing all the lectures. You know that your attendance here is represented by seeing the lectures, all the lectures. You will be we will be having 14 lectures together, so each student should see all the lectures by the end of the term. And the 10 marks, the last 10 marks, are for your homework. Okay. Now, for in the course, you will be asked to do homework. You will be asked to do a homework at home, and then each time you send the homework, you will get a mark for it. This is the evaluation for the students, and the last exam will be out of 70. The final exam will be out of 70. The final exam is in the form of 70 multiple choice questions, and the questions you have to choose from A, B, C, or D. Okay, you will be asked a question, and the answer of the question will be in one of the letters, letter A, or letter B, or letter C, or letter D. Okay, so this is your final exam. The final exam also will have questions on every point that we saw in the classroom, okay, or during the course. You will have paragraphs with missing words, and you will be asked to finish or fill in the blanks with the correct word, and you will choose from 4 alternatives. You will choose the correct one. Also, it will be in the form of completing sentences with conjunctions or connecting words or transition words. And another question will be in the form of reordering the sentences of a paragraph in order to get a coherent paragraph. We move now to the next slide, in which you will have my email, which is mwerdean@kfu.edu.sa, and you will have the contact hours. You will have 3 hours every week: Saturday from 11 to 12, Monday from 11 to 12, and also Wednesday from 11 to 12. You can call me on the phone and ask about any question concerning the course, and I will answer your questions. Also, the email, you need it to send me your homework and also to ask questions about the course. So you are welcome at any time to contact me. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.